This lion is trying to make a comeback. But what's stopping him? Well, that's the question I asked myself when I found this abandoned lion in the middle of the jungle. I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw him. His fur was matted and full of dirt. He was skinny, he was hungry, and to top it all off, he had a broken leg. As I approached him, he looked at me with these sad eyes, and I knew I had to help. I started by feeding him some raw meat, and then I spent the next few days caring for him and cleaning his wounds. He was a fighter, and I knew it would take a lot to bring him back to health. But I was determined to help him make a comeback. It wasn't easy, but after weeks of hard work, he was finally ready to be released back into the wild. As I watched him walk away, I felt a sense of pride knowing that I had played a part in his recovery.